Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy N31LE, and today I'm going to show you guys how to activate the 200-mile-an-hour dash on your BMW S1000RR. The 2020 model to the 2024 and possibly 25. You never know. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Let's get started.
Get out the way, you got a watch, you got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, I got talk. I just real cheap, but it's really go close. I'm trying to get these ends.
Also, do not forget that your boy is a BT Moto sponsor. So if you want 5% off all your purchases, including holidays like Labor Day, Christmas, Black Friday, whatever deal that BT Moto is offering, you get an extra 5% off with my code. Go ahead and type this in right here. N31LE for 5% off, man. Don't forget it. All right, so first things first, you want to get your bike connected to your laptop. All right, so I'm gonna go over here to Combi. Going to go to Speedo. I'm gonna type in Speedo Advanced Display Value 4. Mine says unknown right now. It used to say something along the lines of like 250 or maybe 350 or something like that. What I'm telling you guys to do is go down to Wort, and you're gonna type in these values. So byte 00, you're gonna type in 01. Byte 01, you're gonna type in 70. Hit OK. It's gonna say like unknown or something like that. I don't know why mine changed. Let me see. Yeah, whatever. It's gonna say like unknown or something like that. And then you're just gonna hit code. It's gonna write it to your bike. And then it's gonna give you a 200-mile-an-hour dash. And this is what that looks like. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for these quick videos. If you guys have anything else you guys want to see, let me know in the comments section or let me know in any other videos. Thank you for watching.